Gandang araw! Ako nga po ulit si Helen Bihaya, ang iyong coach sa social media. Ayan, dito sa SDO Quezon City, may nagpalabas ng reminder tungkol sa DepEd Guidelines on the Use of Public School Building and Facilities. Sabi niya dito, meron daw kasing mga ibang school na hindi nag-a-adhere sa DepEd guidelines ng the use of public school buildings and facilities. O mga kabaro, yung tamang paggamit ng public school building and facilities ay makikita dito sa Educational Facilities Manual ng 2020-10. So sa 2020-10 Educational Facilities Manual, dito sa Chapter 5, Section D, nakasad po dito yung illegal utilization of school facilities. Ang una po dito ay yung personal use of educational facilities. The use of school property for the personal convenience of an employee as his residence and not in connection with his official duty is illegal. Ayan, so bawal pong gawing tirahan ang paaralan. Number 2 is squatters. No squatter shall be allowed on the school site. In cases where there are squatters within this school site, their ejection shall be done in proper and legal manner. So inulit dito, bawal na bawal po talaga na merong squatter within the school. So kung meron man, paaalisin talaga sila sa maayos na pamamaraan. So ano-ano ang mga tamang gamit ng school facilities? Number 1, civil service examination. Number 2, literacy classes, polling places, religious service instruction, community program, and evacuation center. Pero tandaan, kung ginamit ang eskwelahan na evacuation center, dapat hindi po ito lalampas ng 15 days. Pag lumampas na po yon, kailangan na po ng approval ng regional office. Ayan, thank you for watching!